Aider and Cursor are AI coding tools designed to streamline your development process, but their strengths differ. Cursor functions like an AI-enhanced IDE built on VS Code, where the AI understands your whole codebase. It can refactor, fix bugs, and even write full features across files. It's powerful and project aware, ideal for full time developers. Aider, meanwhile, is a command line based assistant that works locally with Git. You give it instructions, and it edits your code while preserving commits and changes. It's lightweight, fast, and ideal for devs who prefer CLI over GUI. In 2025, Cursor feels more integrated for real time workflows, while Aider appeals to advanced users who want version controlled, instruction based changes. For interactive, in editor AI help, go with Cursor. For terminal based, Git friendly automation, Aider is more flexible.